Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating chapters of Sigmund Freud's dream psychology, dream analysis. Hey, I am Dr. Zara, a licensed psychologist, and welcome back to the Dream Psychology series, chapter 3 of part 1. Perhaps we shall now begin to suspect that the dream interpretation is capable of giving us hints about the structure of our psychic apparatus, which we have thus far expected in vain from philosophy. We shall not, however, follow this track, but return to our follow problem as soon as we have cleaned up to subject for dream disargument. The question has arisen how dream with disagreeable content can be analyzed as the fulfillment of wishes. We see now that this is possible in case dream defragment had taken place in the case disagreeable content server. We may now proceed to say disagreeable dream as a matter of fact contain but which at the same time fulfills a wish of the first instance. They are fish dream in the sense of every dream originate in the first instance, while the second instance manners. If we limit ourselves and to consideration what the second instance contribution to the dream, we can never understand the dream. If we do so, all the riddles which the authors have found in the dream remain unsolved. That the dream actually has a secret meaning, which turned out to be the first fulfillment of a wish, must be proved afresh of every case by means of an analysis. I therefore select several dreams of them. There are partly of dream hierarchical subjects which require long parliamentary statement and then also an examination of psychic process which occur in hysteria. I cannot, however, avoid this added difficulty in the exposition. When I gave a psychoneurotic patient analytical treatment, dream always, as I have said, the subject of our discussion, it must be therefore gave him all the psychological explanation through who aid I myself have come to an understanding of his symptom. And here I under ego and unsparing criticism, which is perhaps not less keen than I must expect from my colleagues, concentration that I must thesis that all the dreams are fulfillment of wishes raised by my patient, which perfect regularity. Here are several examples of the dream material which is offered to me. Refuse the position. You always tell me that the dream is a wish fulfilled, begins a clever lady patient. Now I shall tell you a dream in which the content is quite now the opposite, in which a wish of mine is not fulfilled. How do you recognize that your theory, the dream is a follow? I want to give a super, but having nothing at hand, expect some smoked salmon and think of going marketing, but I remember that it is Sunday afternoon. When all the shops are closed, I next try to telephone to some creators, but the telephone is out of order. Thus, I must resign my wish to give a super. I answer, of course, that only the analysis can decide the meaning of this dream, although I admit that at first sight it seemed sensible and coherent and looked like the opposite of a wish fulfillment, but the occurrence that given the reason the dream, I ask you now that the stimulus for a dream always lies among the expectations of the preceding day. analyzes the husband of the patient as upright and consciousness wholesale butcher, and told her the day before that he is growing too fat and that he must therefore begin treatment for obesity. He was going to get up early, take exercise, keep to a strict diet, and above all accept to no more invitations to support the proceed law, to relate how her husband an in table and made him acquaintance of artists. But her husband had answered in the rough way that he was very thankful for the honor, but that he was quite convinced that a portion of the black side of a pretty young girl would please the artist better than his whole face. She said that she was at the time very much in love with her husband and teased him a good deal. She had also asked him not to send her any caviar. What does that mean? As a matter of fact, she has wanted for a long time to eat a caviar sandwich every forenoon, but had grudged herself the expense. Of course, she would at once get the caviar from her husband as soon as she asked for it, but she had begged him on the contrary not to send her the caviar, in the order she might tease him about it longer. These explanations seems far-fetched to me. Unmitigated motives are in the habit of hiding behind the unsatisfactory explanations. We are reminded of subject hypnotized by Burheims, who carried out a psychotic orders and who, upon being asked from their motives, instead of answering, "I don't know why I did that," have in a event reason that was obviously inadequate. Something similar probably the case with the caviar of the patient. I see she compelled that create unselfish in life. Her dream also shows to reproduction of his unaccomplished by why does the she and unfilled wish. Ideas so far proceed and insufficient for the interpretation of the dream. I beg for more after a short pause, which corresponds to the overcoming for a resistance. She reports further that the day before she had made a visit to a friend of whom she is really jealous because her husband is always praising this woman so much. Fortunately, this is always praising the woman so much. Like well-rounded figures. Now what did the lean friend speak? Rounded figures. Now what becomes somewhere shorter? The dream admits of still another and more exact interpretation, which is necessitated only by a subordinate circumstance. The two interpretations do not correlate and one another, but the rather over each the other and furnish and neat example of the usual ambiguity of the dream as well. Of all the psychopathologists from we have seen that the same time that the she dream of Daniel of the wish, the patient is in reality occupied in securing and unfulfilled the caviar sandwich. Her friend too had expressed a wish, namely to get farther, and would not surprise us our lady and dreamed that the wish of her friend, the increase in weight, should not be fulfilled. Instead of this, however, she dreams one that of her own wishes not fulfilled. The dream becomes capable of a new interpretation if in the dream she does not intend herself, but her friend, if she has put herself in the place of her friend, as we may say, he identify herself with. I think she has actually done this, and as a sign of this identification, she has created an unfilled wish in reality. But what is the meaning of the hasrial identification? To clear this up, a thorough exposition is necessary. Identification is a highly important factor in the mechanism of vaccination and hysterical symptom. By this means, patients are enabled in their symptom to represent not merely their own experience but the experience of a great number of the other person, and can suffer as it were for a whole mass of people and feel all the part of a dream by being of other own personalities also. I will here be object that this is well known hysterical imaginations, the ability of hysteric subject to copy as a symptom which impressed them with the occur on others, as through their pity were stimulated to the point of reproduction, but this only indicates that the way in which the psychic process is disagreeable in hysterical imagination. The way in which psychic act proceed and the act itself are two different things. The latter is slightly more complicated, that one is ability to imagine the imitations of hysterical subject to be. It corresponds to an unconscious concludes process, as an example will show. The psychian who has a female patient with a particular kind of twitch locked in company of other patient in the same room of hospital. In the surprise when some morning he learned that the particular psychical attack and the fun imitation, he simplifies say himself, the others have seen her have done likewise. That is psychic infections. Yes, but psychic infection proceed in somewhat of the following manner. As a rule, patient know more about one another. The psychian knows about each of them, and they are concerned about each other when the visit of the doctor is over. Some of them have an attack today. Some is known among the rest that a letter from home, a return of love sickness, or the like. In the same case of it, their sympathy is aroused, and the following syllogism, which does not reach consciousness, is complete in them. If it is possible to have this kind of an attack from such cause, I too may have this kind of an attack, for I have the same reactions. If this we are cycle capable of becoming consciousness attack, but it takes place in another psychic subject. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next chapter of the dream psychology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the dream analysis part 2. Until then, keep exploring your dream, because they may reveal more about you than you ever imagined.